to give you everything you want and need. A very good love and protection. Make me your selection. Show you the way love's supposed to be. Baby, you should let me love you. Love you. Yeah.
It's always something.
Listen, your true beauty's description looks so good that it hurts.
SBSB, man.
Plus 99 and it's a shame. Don't even know what you're worth. Everywhere you go, they stop and stare, cause you're bad and it shows. From your head to your toes, out of control. Baby, you know. Baby, you never worry about what I do. I'll be coming home back to you every night, doing you right. You're the type of woman deserves good things. This for the diamond, a handful of rain. You're a star, I just wanna show you you are. You should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. Oh, baby, good love and protection. Oh, make me your selection. Show you the way love's supposed to be. Baby, you should let me. You deserve better. You know you deserve better. We should be together, baby. We need you, it's whatever, girl. Hey, so can we make this thing ours? You should let me love you. Let me be the one to give everything you need.
I told you I was gonna get it in, man. I ain't playing with her, man. And I'm not. SBSB, man.
That good love and protection. Make me your selection. Show you the way love's supposed to be. You should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. Good love and protection. Make me your selection. Show you the way love's supposed to be.
It's my first bike ride in on this bike. Let me fix this.
Baby, I just don't get it. Do you enjoy being hurt? I know you smell the perfume, the makeup on his shirt. You don't believe his stories. You know that they're all lies. Bad as you are, you stick around, and I just don't know why. If I was your man, baby, you never worry about
what you do.
I'll be coming home
Night to you every night. This is my song right here.
type of woman deserve good things. This for the diamond, a handful of rain. Baby, you're a star. I just wanna show you you are. You should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. A very good love and protection. Make me your selection. Show you the way love's supposed to be. Baby, you should let me love you, love you, love you, love you. Yeah. Listen, your true beauty's description looks so good that it hurts. You're a dime plus 99 and it's a shame. Don't even know what you're worth. Everywhere you go, they stop and stare, cause you're bad and it shows. From your head to your toes, out of control. Baby, you know. Baby, you never worry about what I do. be coming home back to you every night, doing you right. Like a woman deserves good things. This for the diamond, a handful of rings. Baby, you're a star. I just wanna show you you are. You should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. Oh, baby, good love and protection. Oh, make me your selection. Show you the way love's supposed to be. Baby, you should let me. I like it when you lose it. I like it when you go there. I like the way you use it. I like that you don't play fair. Recipe for disaster. I'm just trying to think my time. Stroke is getting deep and faster. Screaming like I'm out of line. Who came to make sweet love? Not me. Who came to kiss and love? Not me. Who came to beat it up? I can't. And don't use those hands to put up that gate and stop me. When we
make love, when we make, hey, get your bike ride together, man. We going bike ride every morning. We gotta get in shape, baby.
I can be aggressive. I can be a savage. I just need your blessing. Say that I can that.
Make love when we make love.
You love it when I lose. You love it when I go there. You love the way I use it. You love that I don't play fair.
Yep. You can buy one too. I got it for sale.
Say that you know best is mine. When we're done, it's a disaster. Yeah, end up like this every time. Who came to make sweet love? Not me. Who came to kiss and love? Not me. Who came to beat it up? I can't. And don't use those hands to put up that gate and stop me. When we I can be a savage. I just need your blessing. Say that I can nap. When we face down, ass up. Back it up.
Back it up.
Let me get both of them legs. Baby, don't push me. This is how it always should be.
Make love when we make love.
When we I could be aggressive.
Alright. That's not right there. I'm working, man. Like I told y'all, every morning it's going down. 14-day cleanse. First 14-day cleanse, baby, workout. I'm going on a 14-day detox. Different detox. I'm blocking all the cards.
But you're the only love that gives me good and plenty.
You said I intend to get it straight.
She said,
I'm going up a hill. Woo.
candy rain coming down, taste you in my mind, expect you all around. Here I am, all was lost for you. Hey baby, see you honey too. Close my eyes, and I was plain to see. And you're right with me. Cherry blossom kiss, just give it. Makes my body rock, keeps me safely. Do what you want, I don't care. I'll be your lollipop. You can look me everywhere. You're so juicy. Time will bring the real and about to cry. Today there'll be no remnants, no trace, no residual feelings within you. Today you won't remember me. Your face will be the reason I smile, but I will not see what I cannot have forever. I'll always love you. I hope you feel the same. Oh, you played the dirty game was so bad. More than my affliction had to fill out my prescription of the real looking. Had to set you free, away from me to see clearly the way that love can be when you are not with me. I had to live, I had to live, I had to live, I had to live. Life set you free to find your plenty brings your plenty brings your pretty wings up. Someone's gonna run. Someone's gonna run, baby.
Was the night before Christmas, and all through the house, not a creature was stirring, not even a mouse.
In my mind.
A tornado flew around my room before you came. Excuse the mess it made. It usually doesn't rain in Southern California, much like Arizona. My eyes don't shed tears, but boy they pour when I'm thinking about you. Oh no, 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 I've been thinking about you. You no, 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 I've been thinking about you. Do you think about me still? Do you, or do you not think so far ahead? 'Cause I've been thinking about forever. Ooh. Or do you not think so far ahead? 'Cause I've been thinking about forever. No, I don't like you, I just thought you were cool enough to kick it. Got a beach house I can sell you in Idaho. Since you think I don't love you, I just thought you were cute, that's why I kiss you. Got a fighter jet, I don't get to fly it, though I'm lying down thinking about you. Oh no, 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 I've been thinking about you. You no, 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 I've been thinking about you. Do you think about yourself? Do you not think so far ahead?
It could all be so simple, but you'd rather make it hard. Loving you is like a battle, and we both been down for scars. Tell me
It's hot.
It ain't working. It ain't working when I try to walk away. You hurt yourself to make me stay. This is crazy. This is crazy. Oh, this is crazy. I keep letting you back in. How can I explain myself? As painful as this thing has been, I just can't be with no one else. See, I know what we've got to do. You let go, and I let go too. 'Cause no one's hurt me more than you, and no one ever will. No matter how I think we go, you always seem to let me know it ain't working. It ain't working. It ain't working. It ain't working. When I try to walk away, you hurt yourself to make me stay. This is crazy. This is crazy. This is crazy. Care for me, care for me. I know you care for me. Care for me, care for me. You said you'd be there for me, cry for me. You said you died for me, give to me, give to me. Why won't you live for me? You said you care for me, care for me, care for me. Said you'd be there for me, cry for me, cry for me. You said you died for me, give to me, give to me. Why won't you live for me? You said you care for me, care for me, care for me. Said you'd be there for me, cry for me, cry for me. You said you died for me, give to me, give to me. Why won't you live for me? You said you care for me, care for me, care for me. Said you'd be there for me, give to me, give to me. Why won't you live for me? Cry for me, cry for me. You said you died for me. When I need Sisters, how y'all feel? Brothers, y'all all right? See how y'all groove to this. All right. I'm getting tired of your shit. You don't ever buy me nothing. See, every time you come around, you got to bring Jim, James, Paul, and Tyrone. See, why can't we be by ourselves sometime? See, I've been having this on my mind for a long time.
Aye.
I just wanted to be you and me, like it used to be, baby. But you don't know how to act. So matter of fact, I think you better call Tyrone. say no, but turn right around and ask
me for some ass. Aye.
Well, hold up,
Sit partner.
I ain't
No cheap thrill.
Office Badu's always coming for real. You know the deal, nigga. Every time we go somewhere, I gotta reach down in my purse to pay your way and your homeboy's way.
Hey,
And
she keeping it
sometimes
real.
your cousin's way. They don't never have to pay. Don't have no cars. Hang around in bars, try to hang around
Whoa.
stars. Like Badu, I'ma tell
Almost
you
fell.
who, showing who, what we can do. I think you better call him and tell him to come on.
1, 2. 1, 2. Things you do, don't sell yourself to fall in love. Time will bring the real end of our trial. Today there'll be no remnants, no trace, no residual feelings within you. Today you won't remember me.
What's what? I'm going away.
Your face will be the reason I smile.
Oh, you going
But
around?
I will not see what I cannot have forever. I'll always love you. I hope you feel the same. Oh, you played me dirty. Your game was so bad. Toy with my affliction. Had to fill out my prescription. Found the remedy. I had to set you free. Away from me to see clearly the way that love can be when you are not with me. I had to live, I had to live, I had to leave, I had to live. Love set you free to fly your pretty wings around. Pretty wings, your pretty wings, your pretty wings, pretty wings around. I came wrong, you were right. Transformed your love into light. Baby, believe me, I'm sorry I told you lies. I turned day into night, sleeping, I died 1,000 times. I should've.
What do y'all think about this? Hey, baby, get the bubble gum in this motherfucker. What's up, George? Steady rolling.
With so much drama in the LBC, it's kinda hard being Snoop D or Double G, but somehow, some way, keep coming up with funky ass shit like every single day. May I kick a little something for the cheese and make a few ends as I breeze through 2 in the morning and the party still jumping cause my mama ain't home. I got bitches in the living room getting it on and they ain't leaving till 6 in the morning. So what you wanna do? Shit, I got a pocket full of rubbers and my homeboys do too. So turn off the lights and close the door. But for what?
We don't love them hoes.
Yeah, so we gon' smoke an ounce to this. G's up, hoes down, while you motherfuckers bounce to this.
Rolling down the street, smoking window, sipping on gin and juice.
Laid back,
With my mind on my money and my money on my mind.
Rolling down the street, smoking window, sipping on gin and juice.
laid back.
With my mind on my money and my money on my
Now,
mind.
I got me some Seagram's gin. Everybody got their cups, but they ain't chipped in. Now this type of shit happens all the time. You gotta get yours, but fool, I gotta get mine. Everything is fine when you're listening to the D.O.G. I got the cultivating music that be captivating me. Who listens to the words that I speak as I take me a drink to the middle of the street and get some back into this bitch named Sadie. She used to be the homeboy's lady. On that bitch 80 degrees. When I tell that bitch, please, raise up off these NUTs, cause you get none of these at ease. As I mob with the dog pound, feel the breeze. Biatch, I'm just
Rolling down the street, smoking window, sipping on gin and juice.
laid back.
With my mind on my money and my money on my mind.
Rolling down the street, smoking window, sipping on gin and juice.
Laid back.
With my mind on my money and my money on my mind.
Later on that day, my homie Dr. Dre came through with a gang to tangle Ray. On the fat ass Jake, on some bubonic product that made me choke. Shit, this ain't no joke. I had to back up off of it and sit my cup down. Tango Ray and chronic, yeah, I'm fucked up now, but it ain't no stopping. I'm still popping. Dre got some bitches from the city of Compton to serve me, not with a cherry on top. Cause when I bust my nut, I'm raising the fight the cop. Don't get upset, girl, that's just how it goes. I don't love you hoes, I'm out the dough, and I'll be
Rolling down the street, smoking window, sipping on gin and juice.
laid back.
With my mind on my money and my money on my mind.
Rolling down the street, smoking window, sipping on gin and juice.
Laid back.
California,
Let me welcome everybody to the Wild Wild West. A state that's untouchable like Elliot Ness. The track hits your eardrum like a slug to your chest. Got the best for your Jimmy in the city of sex. We in that sunshine state where the bomb ass be. The state where you never find a dance floor empty and pimp speed. On a mission for them greens. Navy, money making machines serving beans. I've been in the game for 10 years making rap tunes. Ever since Honeys was blowing fast soon. Now it's 95 and they clock me and watch me diamond shining. Looking like a wild Liberace. It's all good from Diego to the Bay. The city is the bomb and the city making pain. Throw up a finger if you feel the same way. Straight lifting down with California again. California dreaming. Soon as I step on the scene, I'm hearing hoochie screaming. Faded for money and alcohol. The life of a West Side player with top dot. And it's all wrong. Only in Cali where we riot, not rally to live and die. In LA we wear chucks, not rally. Yeah, that's right. Just in loafs and khaki suits and ride is what we do. Flossing with half caution, we collide with other groups. Famous because we program. Worldwide, let them recognize from Long Beach to Rosecrans. Bumping and grinding like a slow jam. It's West Side, so you know the road will bow down to no man. Say what bad, yeah. You can ride in the jag, yeah. With that head, you can smoke a fire bag, yeah. A grass, yeah. Got money out the fast, yeah. And trash, yeah. I'm a big time nigga, yeah. Pull a trigger, yeah. I play head flipper, yeah. Way filler, yeah. I'm from wood, yeah. Out the hood, yeah. Let it be understood, yeah. It's all good, yeah. Got a nigga swimming large, yeah. On the hard, yeah. A fool, yeah. Blood, yeah. On the dub, yeah. I just do a trick, yeah. On the dick, yeah. Baby, you want a bitch, yeah. That ain't shit, yeah. The niggas with the money, yeah. On that money, yeah. Got bullets in the money, yeah. About 100, yeah. Girl, you look good. Won't you back that ass up? Motherfucker, won't you back that ass up? Come and go daddy when you back that ass up. Oh, who is you playing with? Back that ass up. Girl, you look good. Won't you back that ass up? You a fine motherfucker. Won't you back that ass up? Come and go daddy when you back that ass up. Girl, who is you playing with? Back that ass up. Girl, you look good. Won't you back that ass up? You a fine motherfucker. Won't you back that ass up? You gotta keep it ass, yeah. Move it left, yeah. Nigga wanna grab, yeah. On the grab, yeah. I'm sweating on the drawers, yeah. All on, yeah. Wanna walk it like a dog, yeah. Break your heart, yeah. Get, you gon' get yours, yeah. That's for sure, yeah. You fucking with my nerves, yeah. To the curb, yeah. I know you bitches know, yeah. Ain't it sure, yeah. But a nigga got some more, yeah. I'm on the floor, yeah. Fresh from shit, yeah. In this bitch, yeah. We be making hits, yeah. After hits, yeah. The kids so nice, yeah. Wanna fight, yeah. I can fuck you right, yeah. All night, yeah. Wanna bring it to my house, yeah. On the couch, yeah. I can pussy out, yeah. Get them out, yeah. I wanna see these hoes, yeah. Baby, oh, yeah. Let me run it in my hole, yeah. Let me know, yeah. Yo, you look good. Won't you back that ass up? You's a fine motherfucker. Won't you back that ass up? Come and take that when you back that ass up. Oh, who is you playing with? Back that ass up. Girl, you look good. Won't you back that ass up? You's a fine motherfucker. Won't you back that ass up? Come and take that when you back that ass up.
That was a hill.
Who is you playing with?
That was a hill right there.
I know you can't stand it. Big bandit, done landed. City drums handed. We gon' get it, y'all. Gang spit it, y'all. Put the bitch on the wall and I hear it, y'all. Looking kinda lonely. I'm feeling honey. Put the dick in the middle like Monet. Big dick plumber chick and a hummer chick. Beat the dick like a motherfucking drummer chick. See that pretty cat. Look at that. I love a fucking holy rat. That's a fact. You motherfucker get it, girl. Get it, girl. I'm the nigga, the hit it, girl.
Girl, you look good, won't you back that ass up? You's a fine motherfucker, won't you back that ass up? Come and get daddy when you back that ass up. Oh, who is you playing with? Back that ass up. Girl, you look good, won't you back that ass up? You's a fine motherfucker, won't you back that ass up? Come and get daddy when you back that ass up. Oh, who is you playing with? Back that ass up.
After you back it up and stop it. Drop it like a sideline.
Hey, this bike ride pretty good, man.
Yo, remember back on the book when cats used to harmonize like, yo, my minute. Put it up.
Get a grip, motherfucker. Yeah, this album is dedicated to all the teachers that told me I never amount to nothing. To all the people that lived above the buildings that I was hustling from, that called the police on me when I was just trying to make some money to feed my daughter. And all the niggas in the struggle, you know what I'm saying? It's all good, baby. It was all a dream. I used to read Word Up magazine, Salt and Pepper and Heavy D up in the limousine, hanging pictures on my wall. Every Saturday, rapping like Mr. Magic Marley Marl. I let my tape rock till my tape pop. Smoking weed and bamboo, sipping on private stock. Way back when I had the red and black lumberjack with the hat to match. Remember rapping Duke? The hard, you never thought that hip hop would take it this far. Now I'm in the limelight cause I rhyme tight. Time to get paid, blow up like the World Trade. One figure, the opposite of a winner. Remember when I used to eat sardines for dinner? Piece of raw G, Lucy B, Kid Capri. Fuck Master Flex, love bug star ski. I'm blowing up like you thought I would. Call the crib, same number, same hood. It's all good. And if you don't know, now you know, nigga. I made the change from a comic thief to up close and personal with Robin Leach. And I'm far from cheap, I smoke stuff with my beats all day. Spread love, it's the Brooklyn way. The Mo West and Alizé keep me pissy. Girls used to kiss me, now they write letters cause they miss me. I never thought it could happen, this rapping stuff. I was too used to packing gats and stuff. Now honeys play me close like butter play toast. From the Mississippi down to the East Coast. Condos and Queens, Indo for weeks. Sold out seats to hear Biggie Small speak. Living life without fear. Putting 5 carats in my baby girl ear. Lunches, brunches, interviews by the pool. Considered a fool cause I dropped out of high school. Stereotypes of a black man misunderstood. And it's still all good. And if you don't know, now you know, nigga. Sega Genesis, when I was dead broke, man, I couldn't picture this. 50-inch screen, money green, leather sofa. Got to ride the limousine with the chauffeur. Phone bill about 2 G's flat. No need to hurry, my account handles that. And my whole crew is lounging, celebrating every day, no more public housing. Thinking back on my one-room shack, now my mom puts her act with links on her back. And she loves to show me off, of course. Smiles every time my face is up in the sun. We used to fuss when the landlord dissed us. No heat, wonder why Christmas missed us. Birthdays was the worst days. Now we sip champagne when we thirsty. Damn right, I like the life I live. Cause I went from negative to positive, and it's all. And if you don't know, now you know, nigga. And if you don't know, now you know, nigga. And if you don't know, now you know, nigga. Representing D-Town in the house. Big
I was dead broke, but I couldn't picture this. Insane. When I was dead broke, but I couldn't picture this. When I was dead broke, but I couldn't picture this. That's right. 94. 80 is spring. And on and on. 80 is spring. My house was dope. When I was dead broke, man, I couldn't picture this. 5 houses. Oh. Old school. Okay, I just like this.
Look, man. Bust a bus. 9-7. Hot shit. Check it out. Hit you with no delaying of what you saying, yo. Silly with my 9 milli with the dilly, yo. When I be on the mic, yes, I do my duty, yo.
Going up the hill.
Like we wild in the studio. Don't wanna violate, nigga, really and truly, yo. My main thug, nigga named Julio. He moody, yo. Type of nigga that'll slap you with the tulio. Bitch, nigga, spit to death, act fruity, yo. Fuck that, look at shorty, she a little cutie, yo. The way you shake it make me wanna get all in the booty, yo. Top mistress, sitting banging bitches and videos. Riding with my feet like we up in the freak shows. Hit you with this shit, make you feel it all in your toes. Hot shit, got all you niggas in wet clothes. Style like my metaphors when I formulate my flows. If you don't know, you fucking with lyrical player pros like that. You wanna party with me? Let me see this what you got for me. Put all your hands on my eyes to see. Straight up, rockin' in the place to be. If you really wanna party with me, let me see this what you got for me. Put all your hands on my eyes to see. Straight up, rockin' in the place to be. If you really wanna party with me, ain't God we trust. Yo, it's up, I said you heard of us, yo, we murder us. A lot of niggas is wondering and they curious. I mean, and my niggas do it, it's so mysterious. Furious, all of my niggas is serious. Shook niggas be walking around fearing us. But nigga, like you don't wanna be.
That was a hill I had to climb.
I'm
sweating like hell under this hat.
Every time I take you to make you delirious. Damaging everything all up in your areas. Yo, it's funny how all the chickens be always serving us. So all in between the ass when you wanna carry us. Then I hit them up with the alias. Various chickens, they wanna marry us. Yo, it's split mode, my nigga, you know we bout to bust. 7-figure money, the label preparing us. By the dust, instead of you making the fuss. Niggas know better cause there ain't no comparing us. Mad at us, niggas is never we fabulous. Hit my people
Ended my bike ride, baby.
Oh shit, my whole
that was
thing
my 6 miles, 7
Niggas
miles.
and bitches, niggas is straight up warriors. I can feel it that I know you be feeling so glorious. And I'm blitzing reminisce on my nigga notorious. Let me see what you got for me. Put all your hands on my eyes to see. Straight buck wildin' in the place to be. If you really wanna party with me.
Ooh, that was.
Drums, please.
Hey, I can end it off with, today was a good day. I started my parasite cleanse. I did my bike ride. Now I'm gonna do my workout. Hey man, go to the podcast, you'll know what I'm talking about. End it off with this.
Waking up in the morning, gotta thank God. I don't know, but today seems kinda odd. No barking from the dog, no small. And mama cooked the breakfast with no hog. I got my grub on, but didn't dig.
I thank y'all for biking with me this morning. If you didn't bike, I bike for you. Gonna get to the workout at my house. And I'll be coming back shortly. In 20 minutes. Don't stop, won't stop. Cousin P first day parasite cleanse. 14-day parasite cleanse, 14-day bike ride. 14-day working on nothing but calves and thighs. And then I'm gonna do another 14-day toxic cleanse and do the same regimen over. I'll see y'all shortly. It's your cousin P, so black and so beautiful. So brown and so beautiful. So beautiful, so beautiful. I pray all is well. I'll ask you just to pray